guys, it's Coach Bass Dave back here with another video, and today we got some heavy snow. Yeah, we got Garrett here though, all happy. We're gonna be throwing these shitty paper airplanes out in there, even though they just plowed. Why you gotta do that? Why? Okay. So we're going. Here we go. Oh my god. Dude, I don't think we're gonna see that again. I don't even see it. Where even is it? Oh my god. Okay, here we go. Oh, they're all gone. I think.
Alright, this is the more slick one.
It's right there.
This one right here is more
Oh
slick.
yeah, that's the best one. He didn't want to give up that. And then failed. Okay, this is not going good.
This is the one that
Dude, I tried to do this on YouTube, and the guy started doing like crazy folds, and then he just took it all apart and did other folds. So it's like, and you didn't even explain it. He's fucking moving. Okay. Ah, that sucks. Am I getting these? I don't have boots on. I have white shoes because they don't have two of them. Bon appetit. Oh, that actually wasn't that bad. Okay. There, take the camera.
Alright, we're going to go get them. Holy crap, I walked up these stairs like 3 hours ago. And now they're covered. Holy, can't even see. Where's the step?
Oh, it's over here. Ah.
One right here. One right here. One right here. And one right here. Get that. Is there any more? Three more? I think we should. Step. Steppity step.
Oh my god, the camera's so wet. Oh.
Alright. Round two. The purple fire.
Oh my god, third attempt. That thing sucks. Is it really? Oh my god. Oh my god.
Let's try right here. Dude, you can't make it.
That was great. No, it's from YouTube. Freaking. Another one stuck in the tree.
Here he comes.
Ugh.
Alright, that will do it for this video.
No, we gotta go get him.
Oh yeah, that's right. Nah, whatever.
No, we have to go get him.
Alright, fine.
Go get him.
Go get them.
Go get him. No, I got shoes. Okay? Tractor! Oh, in my face, dude. It is bad. Oh my god. I don't know if the camera's taking all the snow, but it is bad. It is bad. Hi.
That's it for this video.
No, we're going in. Oh my god, what is this shoveling? Oh my god! Oh! Oh my god! Oh my my god. Go Gigs! Go Gigs! Oh my god. Oh my god, that was bad. We put like snow on some of them. Really? It's not on YouTube, so I'm not showing your face.
Oh no, that's
What? Oh yeah, cause then you take a GoPro. Yeah, GoPros get you. GoPros get you everywhere. Oh my god, dog. The outside is bad. That's my dream college. Oh my god. That is crazy. Alright, well, this is Christmas Day, wrapping it up.